In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a work and travel tax refund. If you worked in the United States on a work and travel program, this walkthrough will help you prepare and file your tax return correctly so you can claim any refund you're owed. Start by gathering every document tied to your earnings and time in the U.S. You'll need your W-2 forms from each employer and, if you received one, a Form 1042-S. Have your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number ready, plus your passport and visa details and the dates you entered and left the United States. Keep clear photos or scans along with the originals. Accuracy here prevents delays later. Next, determine your tax residency status. For U.S. tax purposes, you're either a resident or a non-resident, and this choice drives which rules and software apply. Many work and travel participants are non-residents, but confirm your status using the software's residency questions or official IRS guidance before you proceed. Once you know your status, choose the right filing platform. TurboTax generally fits most resident returns, while SprintTax is designed for most non-resident returns. Pick the one that matches your situation so the correct forms are generated. Create your account by signing up or logging in to your chosen platform, then enter your personal information to open your return. Be sure the name and tax ID you enter match your documents exactly. Start your tax return by selecting the correct tax year and working through the interview. Provide your legal name, current mailing address, your tax identification number, and basic filing information. Use an address where you can reliably receive mail. If you haven't started yet, use the link in the description to access the software you intend to use and begin preparing your return. Now enter your income. Add each W-2, any 1042-S, and any other taxable income forms you received during your program. Type the details exactly as shown, including employer information, wages, and federal withholding. If you had more than one job, include each form separately. Review your refund calculation. The software will total your federal tax owed, any refund, and withholding credits. If something looks unexpected, recheck your entries and residency selection. Finish the filing process by following the prompts to review, fix any flagged errors, and complete all required forms. Verify everything carefully before you submit. Finally, file your return and save a copy for your records. After filing, track your refund with the appropriate tax authorities' online tools and check back periodically for updates. Thanks for watching.